Conquer the Minecraft 1.21 update. First up on our agenda, we are gonna go find the new armadillo mob. The only issue is I don't know
Scanning living with the girls, and I have
this is not Minecraft. Okay, we are on the right track. Let's go find the mana biome. What can I look at? Floating anything good. Here we go. Oh, mana biome. Hello. That was easy. Alright, show me the I haven't really.
Already, yeah? Oh, I see you.
I think sharks and savannah.
Sweet, man. That's joking. That's fine. The shop's closed. We're done. The shop's closed. The shop's closed. Yeah? Me off, man. Seen AJ, you know? And that's why you put me on.
Do you reckon that's any of them? Not my most original.
Boy, looks something else.
Okay, first off, let's sleep.
Fucking recruiting from the wing there, boys. Look, maybe there's another part to it. Yeah, like another entrance where the people with powers are okay, so it's just a drop in, mate.
I used to drop some with socialists when they took Jasmine.
But okay, now that we have our little armadillo army, let's bring these guys home. I'm pretty sure Minecraft added something new. Is it true? The clean boats! Oh my gosh, my life's gonna be so easy now. Alright, guys, get the boat! Oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing ever! I love Minecraft. And as we transport these guys home, don't forget to subscribe and just like that. We are
Binisita ko po siya, tapos meron mo nagsabi na meron daw siyang kasama doon, meron siya.
Yeah, man, of course. Come on. Ready, huh? Where is it? Make sure I need to put that taser you around the day.
That's him.
Who's that over there in the blue beer? What is that, Kian? Who is that?
You should go with them, babe. They might need you.
Right, just stay in the car, please, yeah?
Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Where's this bitch guy? She's nice, but who's them two fucking youths, blood? The fuck?
What, nobody don't know them, man?
Man, she's walking the car, man. Crazy. What the fuck is going on with that shit, bro? Huh?
Are you crazy? Where's Charlene? Back off. I'm not going to hug you again.
Hey, move, man. What, we just got here?
Max. Hey, he ain't gonna be able to tell you anything if you kill him.
He took my sister.
You said it's time to fuck you waiting for?
Don't! He hasn't told me where she is yet.
option.
Craig, if I was you, I'll come over here. Those things behind you, they're dangerous.
Dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous like you, Sabrina. But dangerous like me. Speedy. Yeah. I can't wait to try that one. You thought me lot was the only ones. Babies. Newborns. We're the fathers.
Where's Charlene?
They took her. They thought she was the one with the powers. But it was you all along, Sabrina. But hear what I'm saying? I'm sure we can come to some sort of...
Trevor Shaw!
Where'd he go? Where's the goggles? Find me the goggles. Find me. Why? Open the pool. Let me get him in. Where's the fucking goggles? Can't see him without them. Give me the fucking goggles. Can't breathe.